When you're fishing shallow water conditions, having the ability to deploy, stow, and adjust the height of your trolling motor is critical.
Most game fish spend a portion of their year in shallow water, and cover such as rocks, docks, weeds, and wood are fish holding magnets. But these habitats require you to pay attention, as trolling motors can take a beating. Minn Kota Ulterra is a fast response, next generation electric steer trolling motor that features auto stow and deploy, auto trim up and down, as well as the integrated iPilot or iPilot Link we've come to depend on. In short, you have the ability to dominate the shallows with electric steer like never before.
When you're fishing current like this, drawdown areas where there's shallow water rock, you may have some wood floating in the area, but it's critical to have the ability to move up in those shallow areas, because a lot of times that's where the fish are at. And it's great to be able to take your trolling motor and adjust the height of it based on the conditions, as opposed to have to lean over and lift it back up. It really gives you a lot of versatility when you're working these areas. The other thing is working an eddy like this. You can see where the two current spots meet on the foam line is basically you want to put it in spot lock. And now I can hold right in that area, and I don't have to worry about sliding off the spot. It's kind of like being on the spot on the spot. The Minn Kota Ulterra trolling motor is available in 24 volt and 36 volt motors, as well as 45-inch shaft and a 60-inch shaft. Now, as a professional walleye fisherman and a multi-species angler, that 60-inch trolling motor shaft is critically important to everything that I do. A lot of times I'm out in big heavy water where I've got to have that 60-inch shaft all the way down into the water to give me the power and the ability to hold on a spot. Now, on the same token, I may go out and fish a shallow rock reef or shallow water area, and having the ability to raise that motor up as I'm going into that shallow spot makes life a lot easier, as well as makes me more effective at fishing, because I'm not worrying about adjusting the trolling motor manually. I can do it through the use of the fob to adjust it up or down, as well as I can use the foot control to make that adjustment. So as opposed to concentrating or focusing on the motor, I'm using the fob to make the adjustments, allowing me to concentrate on fishing as opposed to adjusting the trolling motor manually.
So if you spend time fishing shallow water, Ulterra gives you immediate control of your trolling motor in a fast-changing environment. The foot pedal and remote provide complete dual control options depending on your fishing situation. And the auto deploy and stow are a major convenience factor, as well as a safety factor, especially in current or rough water environments.